Welcome to today's lesson. Today, we'll learn about feeling curious, that sense of wanting to know or learn something new. Let's explore it together with examples to make it easy to understand. Curious. When someone is curious, they want to learn or know more about something. It's that feeling you get when something catches your attention, and you just need to find out more. For example, she was curious about the sound coming from the attic, so she decided to check it out. I'm curious to see how this story ends. It's so exciting. He was curious about how stars shine and started reading books about space. Inquisitive. Inquisitive means wanting to ask a lot of questions or learn details about something. It's like being a detective trying to solve a mystery. For example, the inquisitive child asked, "Why is the sky blue? 100 times?" Her inquisitive nature made her perfect for a job in research. He had an inquisitive mind and enjoyed experimenting with new ideas. Intrigued. If you are intrigued, it means you find something very interesting and you want to know more about it. For example, she was intrigued by the unusual painting in the gallery. The scientist was intrigued by the strange results of the experiment. He was intrigued by her unique way of solving problems. Eager. Eager means feeling excited and ready to learn, do, or know more about something. It's when curiosity is mixed with energy and anticipation. For example, the students were eager to start their first day of school. He was eager to find out the results of the competition. She's eager to try out the new recipe she found online. Nosy. Nosy is when someone is overly curious about things that don't concern them. It's not always polite to be nosy. For example, he's always so nosy, asking about everyone's personal business. She peeked into her neighbor's window because she was feeling nosy. Being nosy can sometimes get you into trouble. Fascinated. Fascinated means being completely interested or captivated by something. It's when curiosity turns into amazement. For example, the kids were fascinated by the magician's tricks. She was fascinated by the glowing jellyfish in the aquarium. He's fascinated by how planes fly and wants to become a pilot.